Hello everyone. I'm back with an amazingly cute story about a little girl and the various sounds her Appa makes throughout the day. When I first came across this story, I just giggled and laughed thinking about my own Appa. And I'm sure as you sit there listening to this story, you are going to giggle and laugh too. My Appa and his sounds. It's written by Venkataraghavan Srinivasan, illustrated by published by Pratham. That shape over there is my Appa. He's sleeping. To know him well like I do, you have to use your ears more than your eyes. You have to listen to Appa and his sounds carefully. When Appa sleeps, he breathes quietly, like wind through leaves. I can make that sound by cupping my hands over my mouth and blowing gently. It's like this. One more time. But sometimes Appa snores as loud as thunder. I can snore like Appa by grunting through my nose like a pig and then flapping my lips like a horse. So, how does her Appa snore? You can try that out too. Let's do it together. When Appa wakes up, he scratches his arms and legs. I can make this sound by tearing paper into small pieces. When Appa stands up, the bones in his legs pop and crackle. It's like cloth flapping in the wind. I clap with 2 fingers to make this sound. Appa chews loudly with his mouth open. I stomp through slush after the rains to make this sound. Squish, squash, squelch, squash. One more time. It's such a tongue twister. Squish, squash, squelch, squash. When Appa eats something hard, it makes a breaking, crushing sound. I step on dry leaves and twigs to make this sound. When Appa drinks water, the ball in his throat rises and falls. It makes a deep, muffled sound. When I go swimming and my ears get blocked, everything sounds like Appa's drinking sound. After lunch, Appa burps from his mouth. This means the food was good. Appa's burps sound like slow lorries going up a hilly road. If Appa burps from his bum, then his stomach did not like the food. His bum burps are musical. I pull my cheeks back tightly and I blow while keeping my mouth closed. If Appa's nose whistles, it means that he's getting a cold. He sometimes takes a sharp breath to clear his nose. When I drag a chair on the floor, it makes the same sound. When Appa is fully sick, his nose gets fully blocked. He then has to pant from his mouth, like me when I run fast. Appa has a large, loud laugh that can be heard 3 houses away. I roar like a hungry tiger monkey to laugh like Appa. So my favorite Appa sound is one he can't make again. He needs me to make that sound. It's when he kisses my forehead with a loud, wet smack. That's Appa putting the little girl to bed. So that was such a cute story about this little girl and the sounds her Appa makes. And as I told you in the beginning of the video that when I was reading this story, it reminded me of my Appa and the various sounds that he made, including the sound from his bum. What kind of sounds does your Appa make, your father makes? Put it in the comment box below. I would really look forward to your answers. Take care. Bye.